I'm an X-ray technologist, and after 30 years, I've retired at the end of June.
I worked for 36 years, recently retired. Keeping busy with to-do lists. The financial goals were to retire at 55.
Our consultant was able to do that for us.
Maintaining all the while our standard of living.
Our investors group consultant went through every aspect of our lives and really said, this is what's good for you. These are some options that you should consider. And I appreciated that because I didn't think it would be that tailored. I thought it would kind of be a general, you're a young couple starting out, here's what other people are doing. It was really more for us. And then when we did meet, actually this table is where all of the financial planning has been done.
In Canada, we serve 1 million clients every day. There's at least 3 ways that advisors add value when working with clients. We help clients plan targets. We show them their future and their aspirations, and we help them talk through the need to save. We help them use the right vehicles. Often that's the use of RSPs so that they get maximum tax advantage in their savings. We help them set up the right investment profile, that they look at how long they have to invest combined with the extent to which they're willing to take risk. When we put those 3 things together, we create a huge increase in net worth for our clients into the future.
There are so many products out there, there are so many terms. Which one is better for me? Which one is good for my unique situation? How can I get more benefit if I do this one, especially from tax perspective? Or how can I put more money to my RSP account or RSP account? Or should I be making this one? So all these kind of questions, I got right answers from my consultant.
5 years ago, sold the company. Along with that, a lot of people coming to get me to invest with them. My bank, Wood Gundy, and not really understanding it all, I decided to get them all together in one room. The competitors of Investors Group honestly didn't realize what Investors Group had to offer, whether it's banks or any other institution. I really can't imagine anything they could offer above and beyond what Investors Group has to offer.
A financial plan should contain strategies, almost like pieces of a puzzle, to help deal with your highest priority financial needs. A cash and debt management plan, a tax plan to minimize your taxes, a strategy to help you save enough for your retirement. It should also give you peace of mind.
In my business, there is no pension, so I really needed to come up with a strategy for long term. I need somebody who can give me the entire package. I don't want to deal with just a bank and I'll deal with another mortgage broker. I wanted to have somebody that I can just call at any time and they can give me the answers to everything.
Your financial plan will evolve as your life evolves, and your financial plan will change as life events come up.
Been a lawyer for a number of years and just started my own practice. My consultant started advising me on this a couple of years ago when I first sort of got the idea that this is what I wanted to do. She helped me to get an idea of what kind of resources I would need so that when the time came to make the jump that I would definitely have the money there. As you go through life, there's so many things that change all the time, and whatever your plan was a year ago might not necessarily be the right plan for you now. I think the trust level is very important, and the relationship is very important.
We see significant differences between Canadians who have an advisor versus those who don't. Those who have an advisor are wealthier. There's independent research that shows that the differences are due to 3 main factors. People who use an advisor will have a financial plan that lets them know how much they have to save to achieve their financial targets. Those who use an advisor will often have better utilization of tax advantage savings vehicles such as RRSPs or tax-free savings accounts. Your financial advisor will also help you by selecting products that give you a nice balanced approach to investing and would include products that can grow with markets, giving your overall portfolio more growth opportunity than you would have without the use of an advisor.
What impresses me most about my consultant is the personal integrity that they bring to the whole procedure.
I've been able to recommend him and Investors Group to many of my friends and colleagues, and the number one thing I always say to them is I have a lot of trust in them.
This is a person that deals with their clients in the same way that I like to deal with my clients. Straightforward, honest, above board.